Hi guys, now maglalaro ako ng shrimp game marbles with let's go, let's play. Let's play. Please like and subscribe. And my friend is gonna join me. His name is Luffy. We are gonna play Squid Game today.
Ano ako?
And sorry for my camera. Too messy. Sorry.
Yes! Walang kill!
You ready? Let's wait him. So guys, this is him, Baldi 225577. Just wait. He will rejoin. Ay, yo, get out! Get out of my face. Get out. Sorry for the camera. It's shaking. Sorry guys, sorry. Now, we are gonna go. Pasok. Now we are in here and he's in here. Now we are teleporting. It's time to play. Guys, if you want to add friend me, my name is One Piece. And this is my avatar. Bacon hair and with the Sigma boy. Okay, Sigma boy. Wait guys, okay? That good. Bro, I want to start, bro, fast. Let's go. Now, I am a player. I don't want to waste my wins on guard or frontman. Who is that? Oops, sorry. Baldi is still teleporting. I think he can. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's late. Sorry. Don't mind that. Okay. Now we play red light. Oh, my friend can't join, so it's just gonna be me. Okay. First, I have to play red light, green light. I have to win this, or else I have played these games before. Green light. Let's go, boy. Let's go. Oh. What was that? Oh. Let's go.
Okay, 1v1. Ganun kamay niya.
Let's go. Run. Oop. I think I'm almost there or not. Green light. Run! Woo! I won! Let's go, guys!
Hindi ako nakabiti.
Oh, yeah! yo. Sorry for that. Okay. Sorry. I messed up. Now what will I play? I want to get Mona Lisa. And my friend Baldi is here. Hey, come. Hey, Baldi, come. Baldi, where are you? Come, boy. Hello. Hey, yo. Don't hide, please. Where are you? Oh. What? Oh, Dalgona. This is gonna be easy. Watch me get Mona Lisa. Please. Let's. Ooh, I got circle. Now it's time. It's time to finish Dalgona with a circle. Please. Okay. Now I just have to focus. Oh! Oh no. I think I will break this cookie. You know what? I'm gonna go here. Oh! Sorry for that. Please. I don't want to lose. Please. Oof. Let's go. I completed it. Let's go. Now we are in here. Where my friend at? Did they pass? Yo, let's go. Baldi's here. Hey, Baldi. Player 137. Watch me eat my cookie. Thank you. Yummy. I want to be a frontman, bro. Hey, hello, Baldi. Hello.
What the fuck is...
What did you do, boy? What happened, boy?
What's that?
I played these games before. Watch me win these games before. I'm him. I am him, boy. I am him. Now let's go. What the hell? Let's go. Oops, now I have to finish this. Oof, please. Let's go. And now. Oh, I missed. Please, now. No! Bro! Let's go. No, bro, this thing is hard. Oh! I'm cooked. But let him cook. Oh! I can't. Let him cook. Let him cook now. Please. No! Only got a minute and 25 seconds left. Please! Let me cook. I don't know. I think I'm gonna lose. Please? Dongi is just hard. Oh! I need some help here. Bro! I'm just a noob guy. Okay, let's wait. Okay. Let's go! I finally finished Dongi. Now it's your time, brother. Let's do this. Only got 37 seconds left. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Run, boy. Only 28 seconds. Let's go, let's go. 20 seconds, guys. 80 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Oh no. 1, 2, 3. Oh no. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. No, I'm cooked. Okay, guys, that's it. I'm targeted. Bye-bye.